Hello viewers, so this is Ayato from Nanny. So today we will build a dental website with WordPress. Let's start. I usually buy my domain and hosting from GoDaddy, so today we'll be doing that too. Here we will buy this domain, make it yours, and then continue to cart. I'll go with 1 year. And you can have the professional email address for your business if you want. I don't want it, so I won't get it. And there are other domain extension if you want. And the total is here, and I'm ready to pay, so I'll proceed. And from here on, you guys are smart, so you will figure this out. Fill the payment and payment address, and you are done. Here what I have done is installed WordPress on my hosting. There's nothing, a blank page, so we'll go to WordPress dashboard and dismiss that. We don't need it and we won't be needing them, so uncheck all of them. And now we will go to plugins and delete any unnecessary plugin we don't want. And then go to setting. We will change the structure of our URL, so we'll go in permalinks and from plain to post name. It will look more professional, so hit save and then we'll continue from here. My English is not so good because English is not my main language, so sorry about that. We'll go to appearance and themes and choose a new theme from here. Today we'll go with Astra and install. Why Astra? Because Astra give you many pre-built templates for your website, so you don't have to work yourself. If you want a simple website without much of a customization, you can always go with Astra because they have many free templates there. So we'll go with the starter templates plugin. Yes, get started. We'll be needing that. It says activating. And done. From here on, we'll go build your website now, and with Elementor, and then you can search for any plugin any website template for your business. Today we'll go with dental, so dentist it is, and from here we will go with the first one. Here you can preview your template, see if it fits your requirements for your business. If not, you can always change back to another template if you want. So it definitely looks nice. We'll continue with this and keep the default color and fonts. Fill up this form. Here is my name, Ayato Higashi. Here you have to put your email address there, and here I am an expert, and for me, my company, then my mail address. I don't want any newsletter, so submit and build my website, and we'll wait. So basically they are building your website while you are sitting and relaxing on your chair. They will import any necessary plugins and prompts that you will be needing on your website. So you basically don't have to do any work, just install a pre-built template. If you want any simple website for your business and you don't have time, or you can just contact us, Tech Nanny. And done. So we will visit our website and let's see how that looks. Yeah, it looks just like the template we just preview. Yeah, looks good. So let's change the logo for this website into ours. We'll go to customize. And then look for the logo setting. So let's look for in global if we can find it there. So it's not here, so let's go back. Header builder, here it is, logo. So change logo, select the logo I made, then select, and we can crop if we want. So let's just crop it. So apparently it's an error, so we'll just keep cropping and it looks nice. So we don't have to change this one because it will be gone. But we do want to customize our set menus. So let's publish and go back to WordPress dashboard. From here to appearance, then plugin menus, sorry about that. So we don't need reviews, so we'll remove this one, and we don't need this one too, so we'll change this one to services. Change the ID to then save menu, and we will visit our website again and see how it looks. Yeah, it's done. So we can customize the button links if we want. You can also customize the texts and the footer as you like. Oh, there is some contact information you can change, and the opening hours as you want, and the social icon too. You can put your Google and Yelp ranking here for your reviews, and if you want any post for your services, you can change them also. So this is it for today, guys. See you on another video. And again, sorry for this crappy English. Hope you guys stay healthy and well. Goodbye.